Hey everybody, this is Dr. Anthony Barta here at Brown Chiropractic and Needed Healing. Coming at you with another video, first one in our series here about really teaching you how to do something at home on your own. So a lot of people with the weather getting nice outside are outside doing a lot of activities, gardening, stuff like that, you know, just a bunch of different physical activities. A lot of people are coming in with low back pain. A lot of this can be attributed just to the way that you're moving at home. And therefore it can be avoided altogether if you just move properly. Sometimes it can't be avoided if you get yourself in a sticky situation, but most of the time if you just take care of yourself, you have to see us less. But if you get yourself in a sticky situation, we're always here to help you. So what I'm going to do for you today is just show you how to properly bend and or squat down and lift things up. We're going to be using my faithful assistant here, Minnie. So one way to bend down and get something is to use your legs mostly, and you're going to be squatting. So rather than bending forward like this, you want to use your legs. Try and keep an upright torso. Just like that. And now we got me. But you want to keep your torso upright. Even when you're bending your knees like that, you want to avoid this situation right there. That's just putting unnecessary stress on your low back. So we're going to set her down. The other way to do it is just to hinge at your hip. So a lot of times, you know, everyone says lift with your legs, not your back. That's pretty true, but you can also lift with your hips. You don't want to be bending forward like this with a rounded back. If you keep that low back flat or with a natural arch like that, then you'll be okay. So you just want to use all your motion right here. You stick your butt back, keep that back flat, and you can get stuff like that and come back up. Just avoid rounding that low back and you'll be good. One way to test and see if you're keeping that low back flat, just to make sure that you have 3 points of contact with a broomstick like this. You want to be touching your head, your mid back, and your tailbone right there. You just hold it down with both your arms like that. So it's going to be tricky. You're going to want to hold this tight to your back, and you're keeping that back flat. And if you come off like that, you know you're doing it wrong. Keep that back arched and then come back up. That's a good way to practice the hip hinge and teach yourself how to lift properly.